Forgive people, but don't you dare trust them again. They let you down, broke your trust, and left you navigate the pain alone. In that moment, they did not think about your emotional well-being. They only cared about themselves. Don't allow them the opportunity to repeat the same cycle. Choosing forgiveness is a formidable act for your own well-being, not theirs. It's about freeing yourself from the heavy burden of resentment that they carelessly imposed. Your healing matters, and your trust is precious. Guard it wisely, and surround yourself with those who genuinely care about your well-being, respecting the trust you offer. You deserve relationships built on respect, reliability, and sincere concern for your mental and emotional well-being.